What is going on, IF Warriors? It's your boy Edward B, and today we're going to talk about how to use cardio to your advantage to blast fat and keep it off. And coming off of the last video, this is incredibly important. Let's go ahead and break it down. Video. All right, guys, so before we go into the video, this video is sponsored by UREVO Treadmill. Because boy, is this an amazing treadmill. It literally comes completely assembled since it's an under the desk type treadmill. So there's no assembly required. It's basically pull it out the box and just start using it. Now, one of the coolest things about a treadmill is that it gives you versatility in how you want to walk. You can do multiple types of stepping on a treadmill, plus with having kids at home during the cold weather outside for time efficiency, it's a great alternative to just walking outside. See, I'm one of those people that I don't like excuses, and sometimes I have to take care of the kids and you know, the wife is not home, so then it's like, well, I can't do my run. No, I could do my run because I have myself a UREVO treadmill. And with all this, it still comes with an affordable price. Now, it has an LED screen and remote, the LCD display screen featuring time, distance, calories, and speed, a phone holder slot so you can put your phone on there and watch whatever show, podcast, whatever gets you, entertained while you're doing your 30-20 minute run or even walk, and a display interface with easy to follow functions, keys using the remote controller to change the speed or stop the running machine, a 2.5 horsepower powerful motor. This is a treadmill for the ages. If you guys want to check this treadmill out for yourself, you can find the links down in the description box below. Just make sure to use the promo code STROLLLIGHT $40 so you can get $40 off the entire order. It's basically an awesome excuse blaster to keep you away from any excuses from getting your physical activity in for the day. Now let's go ahead and jump right into the video. All right, so I'm super glad that UREVO has sponsored this video because this is a perfect mesh to this information that I'm giving to you now. Cardio is important. Cardio creates multiple layers of helping you lose weight, burn fat fast, and also help you keep it off. See, with cardio, it is not just the current calories that you're burning. That is not the only benefit that you get from cardio. A lot of people would tell you, oh, well, if you just ran, all you would burn is like 350 calories or 400 calories. But the truth is, when you do cardio in a consistent time frame, somewhere around 25 to 30 minutes or so, what ends up happening is that you also create an epoch effect. And what has been shown in the studies when it comes to the epoch effect, which is the afterburn effect. So your body literally starts burning more calories to get your whole body back down to rest. What ends up happening because of this is that your body burns calories for up to 38 hours after your workout. And it doesn't stop, it's also compounding. So for example, if you work out on Monday and then you also do cardio on Tuesday, you haven't really even passed what has been seen 38-hour time frame of the afterburn effect of the epoch, but you're already doing cardio again. So now you have burned the calories from the cardio from Monday. You're also in a 38-hour afterburn effect. You are now burning the cardio while still being in that 38-hour afterburn effect. And you've elevated your body's difficulty in bringing down your body back to rest state because you haven't completed it yet. You are already running and you're compounding more calorie burn on top of the calories that you were already in the process of burning. So cardio literally is deeper and more complex than the sum of its parts. It's not just you running and boom, what's the calories that I burn? That's it, I'm good money. No, there's so much more to it. For example, your resting heart rate goes down. That means your heart doesn't need much pumping to move blood around your body. So for example, if you got down to 54 beats per minute resting heart rate comparative to someone who is 75 beats per minute, that means for you to get the allotted blood flow through your body, all you need is 54 beats per minute. Someone else that has 78 beats per minute would need 78 beats to be able to pull that off. When your cardiovascular system becomes that engaged and that healthy, that is a reciprocating effect to the rest of your body. The rest of your body is much more comfortable in doing things like releasing water, releasing glycogen, and even releasing body fat, fatty acids. So simply from the biology of this, it helps you actually burn more fat. And even talking about the treadmill, the UREVO treadmill, what it allows me to do is eliminate any possible excuses. If I have to take care of the kids, well, I could just take care of the kids and still run because it's in my home. If it's cold outside, if it's raining outside, I can still run because it's in my home. If I want to create more walking potential and I want to walk and work at the same time, I can, because it's compact enough and I can pull the handles and everything down and still use it. That's the beauty of a treadmill. Yes, you can run outside, but a personal treadmill at home eliminates every possible excuse for why you're not going to do something today. And if you know anything about the human body, the more you create these moments of excuses, the more easily you find further excuses down the line. And then before you know it, you are no longer running, or you are no longer walking, or you are no longer jumping rope, or you are no longer doing anything that is benefiting you for cardio. Please keep in mind that when you lose weight, your metabolism goes down. Adaptive thermogenesis will take place, and you do need to counteract those things with burning more calories, being more active. If you reduce activity, all of that stuff will go against you. And that is why cardio helps you blast fat, but with adaptive thermogenesis, it also helps you keep it off. Patreon will be pinned in the comment section below. Until next time, peace out.